All right, if you own a DJI Mini, I'm going to show you something that you might want to purchase. This is a gimbal protector, and if you've ever crashed or landed your drone, accidentally onto something hard, you don't want to break your gimbal. So this thing right here that I bought on Amazon, pretty cheap, I think it was like $6, is a lens hood for it. And you can put it right on your Mini. Let me show you here. Pull it out. So if you look, you've got your protected hood here on this. But what this does is it allows you to have a protective hood on this. So to get this on, what you've got to do is get your little hooks in there first, and then you're just going to pop it in there like that. And now, check this out. So if you crash it, you're not going to break this $300 gimbal. So I think that's a pretty good little item right there. And that's how it goes on. To get it off, you got to push down, and then you got to kind of slide it out of there. So that's it right there. That's the hood protector while you're flying. And you can see when you put it on, see those little hooks right there? You got to put those in there first. You got to kind of slide it back and then slide it in. And then you're going to push this down, and then it pops right in. And now that's going to protect your gimbal. Because if you break it, it's like half the price of the drone. Pop it off, got to push this and pull it, and then pull it back, and then slide it up, and then it comes off, I think. Yeah, there we go. Don't break your gimbal while you're doing that. All right, let me put my hood back on. This hood goes on the same way. Slides over here. There we go. And then pops it down. And that's that. So I highly recommend getting this thing if you're not the greatest flyer ever. That way you don't break that gimbal. All right, so when you get your drone, you're going to notice that these little wing things right here, they kind of flop all over the place. And they're kind of delicate, and you don't want to break them. So I found this cool item online right here that you can get on Amazon for, I think it was $6 for this. And what it is basically, yeah, let me open this thing, if I can get it to open. Nothing's ever easy, right? There we go. And what it does is these things here are going to protect your little wings. So check it out, watch. So if you pull your wings in like this, this will go over this part here, and it keeps those wings like smushed in there, just like that. See that? Then you can flip it over, and then on this side, you can do the same thing. I just got to figure out how to smush these together without getting them too crunched. Oh, there we go. So you got to go like 2 on top, 2 on the bottom from both sides. Then you just kind of slip this over. Look at that. Now you don't have to worry about breaking your wings. These things are like $6. They're worth it. Get it. And then I can just go ahead and put it right in there. And Bob's your uncle. I'm ready to go ahead and party like it's 1999. Bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you about stuff like this hood and this thing here and flying this crazy apparatus. I'm going to have all kinds of different videos to show you guys as I play with this thing. Peace out.